We're going to test under. In the regular installation guide, it says pitch rails should be installed 4 feet away from each other, starting from the house, 4 feet, 4 feet, 4 feet. But since my deck is 10 feet long, I'm going to install my first pitch rail 3 feet from the house. The second one is going to be 6 feet, and the last one is going to be 9 feet away from the house. I marked 3 feet. Now I'm going to mark 3 feet from the other side. I'm going to use chalk line to make a line all the way down. I'm going to use this sealant. This is sealant and also adhesive to install my wall trims. You can find the link in the description for this product. And when you're done, just put this one back too. So it's going to be secure, and then you can reuse it. This is my wall trim. First, I'm going to apply seal and glue at the top, and then I'm going to apply it at the back of the wall trim and attach it to the wall. Since we use glue, without adding any screws, it is already attached, and then it helps you to just do it by yourself without having a second person. But if you don't apply the glue, it's going to be difficult to just hold it by yourself and add screw. So I'm adding my first screw. Okay. Okay, I already installed the wall trim on this side and then pitch rails, 1, 2, 3-inch pitch rails. And now I will start installing the panels. But instead of attaching wall trim on this side of the deck, I'm going to start with another main rail. Because this side of the house doesn't have any support, and wall trims are very flimsy and very soft. I don't think that it's going to be sturdy enough to support the ZipUp system, so I will start with the main rail instead of using wall trim on this side. And also I will do the same thing on the other side. I don't know if it is the proper way to do it, but in my opinion it's going to be a better idea. first panel is installed properly. There's a 2.5 inch gap between the end of the deck and end of the first panel right there. We are going to install the gutter over there.